Hello, welcome to Andrew Craft Show. For today's video, I will be using 3mm hook and a worsted yarn for this project. Let's start with a magic ring. Make 2 chains, but remember, these 2 chains is not counted. So inside the magic circle, make 12 double crochet. In all rounds of this project, every chains you made is not counted, so please take note. Now we're done with the foundation. Slip stitch and make chain 2. On this first row, you will do 2 double crochet in each stitch. So this is 1, and then another double crochet in the same stitch. So you made a 12 double crochet as your foundation, and your first row should have 24 double crochet. We're about to start row 2, slip stitch, chain 2. Now you need to have 36 double crochet here. So first stitch should have 2 double crochet, and next stitch should have 1 double crochet, and you're gonna repeat that across. For you to easily remember, you're just doing 2 1 2 1 2 1, meaning 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next. For round 3, slip stitch, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, and again 1 double crochet in the next. So you're gonna repeat that across. You must have a total of 48 double crochet. So your repeat pattern is 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, and 1 double crochet in the next. So 2 1 1 2 1 1, and repeat. Row 4 is my last row because I'm making preemie size hat, so my crown will end here, but you can continue expanding your crown size. In this row, you must have 60 double crochet. The repeat pattern is 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1, then repeat across. I fast forward this row 4, so I finish it already. So in the next row, you slip stitch, chain 1. So this is gonna be the start of our length going down to the brim. After chaining 1, you do half double crochet in the next stitch, and then slip stitch in the next. That's all you need to remember. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, and then repeat all the way around. We didn't do a turning work in the crown part, but in this part we will be doing that. I will show you how you turn your work after you finish this row. In the last 2 stitches, you're gonna slip stitch 2 times. Chain 1, now turn work. At this row, you're gonna half double crochet in the slip stitch from the previous row. This is the slip stitch from the previous row. I will put my half double crochet here and then slip stitch in the half double crochet from the previous row. So basically you're just doing it on top of slip stitch, you're gonna do half double crochet, and on top of half double crochet you're gonna do slip stitch. That's all you need to remember. This is gonna be your repeat rows. So the total rows I made for newborn to 3 months old will be 14 rows. For the preemie size, you will just do 9 rows. And then after that, we will start the brim. Another thing I forgot to say, all the rows you will end do slip stitch before you will start or before you turn your work. So a slip stitch and then again another slip stitch to end the row. Let me just show you one more time on how I do it. Again, half double crochet in the slip stitch from the previous row and then slip stitch in the half double crochet from the previous row. So this is the slip stitch here. I will do a half double crochet here and then slip stitch in the half double crochet from the previous row. Now do all the rows that you need, and then I'll see you once you've have enough length. Sorry, I mentioned earlier for preemie, but this size is actually for newborn. This is the brim part. Start your row with chain 1 and then half double crochet. We will not do turning work here, so just make sure you are in the right side of your project. So half double crochet all the way across, and then I'll see you in a while. Slip stitch and then chain 1. We will do 3 rows for the brim, so this is our second row. What you're gonna do here is front post double crochet and then back post half double crochet in the next, and then you just have to alternate this front post half double crochet and back post half double crochet until you finish the row. This is how you do front post half double crochet and then back post half double crochet. Repeat the pattern until you finish, and then I'll see you in a while. For row 3 or the last row, slip stitch, chain 1, repeat row 2, which is front post half double crochet, and then back post half double crochet. So you just have to follow those front post and back post half double crochet from previous row, and that's it. I made 2 slip stitch in the end just to make sure it won't lose. But you can wave your project in the way you want. You can Google all the standard sizes for the baby hat. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great time. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye-bye.